હર્ષાબેન નથી આવ્યા નહીં? સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. Well, we had a lot of birthday people in Mahapuja today. And Pintu Bhai was explaining very nicely so today in Swamini Vato, Gunatitanand Swami says he explained the force of illusion, Maya. That if somebody wants to do the satsang, if somebody wants to get out of these Maya, the worldly things, it will be very difficult. આપણે જ્યારે સત્સંગ કરવા તૈયાર થઈએ ત્યારે માયા ને ગમે નહીં, એટલે માયા એનું બળ વાપરે. બધી ઘણી જુદી જુદી રીતે બળ વાપરે. અમુક બળ આપણને દેખાય. સમ effect, influence of Maya we can recognize, and we think that okay, I still don't want to give up the satsang. I understand what is Maya, playing the games, but I want to not give up the satsang. But there are certain very refined influence of Maya that will not allow us to even think that way. We may even justify what we are doing is okay, but it is not really according to the satsang. It is Maya's effect. ઘણી વખત માયા બહુ જ ચાલાકી વાપરે ત્યારે આપણને ખબર બી ના પડે અને આપણે એમ માનીએ કે આપણે જે કરીએ છીએ બધું સત્સંગનું જ શોભે એવું કરીએ છીએ, પણ એની અંદર પણ માયાની ચાલાકી દેખાતી હોય કે માયા જ એનો પ્રભાવ પાવર વાપરતી હોય. એટલે માયાના બી ઘણા બધા ફોર્સીસ છે. એમાં બી સ્વામીની વાતોની અંદર ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીએ, કાકાજીએ બધી ઘણી પ્રકારની માયા બતાવી છે. માયા, મહામાયા, મુક્તોની માયા, સત્સંગની માયા, બધી ઘણી માયાઓ બતાવે છે. The illusion is explained in a lot of scriptures. Gunatitanand Swami has explained, Kakaji and others, that there are varieties of Maya, illusion. One is called Mahamaya. Mahamaya is powerful than Maya. Maha means great. Great illusion. And that great illusion is among the elevated spiritual leaders. And they would justify that whatever their wrongdoing, as acceptable in satsang. Gunatitanand Swami has really analyzed and given the light, saying that these are the other illusions, There are several examples, but I'll give you one or two, But there was one saint who did lot of upvas, fasting, So Muktanand Swami was praising about that sadhu to Swaminarayan Bhagwan. સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાનના ટાઈમની અંદર એક સાધુ હતા, એમણે ઘણા ઉપવાસ કર્યા. એટલે મુક્તાનંદ સ્વામીએ એના સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન આગળ વખાણ કર્યા કે આ સાધુએ આટલા બધા ઉપવાસ કર્યા. સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન એ સાધુનું કેટલું પાવર છે, કેટલી કેપેસિટી છે જાણતા હતા, અને એટલી ઊંચી સમજણવાળા એ સાધુ નહોતા. છતાંય મુક્તાનંદ સ્વામીએ કહ્યું એટલે કે હો હા બોલાવો એ સાધુને, લાવો આપણે એને આપણો રાજીપો બતાવીએ. So, Swaminarayan Bhagavan knew that this sadhu, even though he has done upvas, he has done that to just satisfy his ego, not to please the God, So, most of the time we may be doing fasting and upvas, but our purpose may not be to satisfy God, It would be just to satisfy our own ego or our own belief or whatever, So then, Swaminarayan Bhagavan was not going to criticize Muktanand Swami that he knows that this sadhu has no capacity, but since Muktanand Swami came with that good message, Swaminarayan Bhagavan wanted to say, okay, I want to show my happiness towards that sadhu, so please bring him. So Muktanand Swami brought that sadhu, So Swaminarayan Bhagavan was eating the food, lunch or dinner or whatever. And he had one sweet, pando, in his dish. So Muktanand Swami brought this sadhu, and Swaminarayan Bhagavan just wanted to please Muktanand Swami. Says, oh, I am very happy that you are doing all this upvas. So now here, this is my prasad. So that sadhu did not do anything. He did not bring his hand up, So Swaminarayan Bhagavan got up from where he was and took that pando and tried to put that in his mouth to say, So that sadhu opened up his mouth. Swaminarayan Bhagavan put that sweet in his mouth. But he was not feeling comfortable. He thought that Swaminarayan Bhagavan is breaking this vow that I'm going to do this for more days. So he spit it out, that sweet pando, So Bhagavan and Muktanand Swami were looking at that. Not only that, but on top of that, he mentioned that this Maya in form of pando has come to me. And it is breaking my fasting, So what was his purpose of fasting? Just to please himself, Really the purpose of fasting should be that God should be pleased. And if God is pleased and if God is showing his happiness, we should accept that. But this is another Maya, that he is even calling the other thing as Maya, Whatever God was showing happiness, he called that as Maya, But really he was succumbed by the Maya, which is called Mahamaya, And Swaminarayan Bhagavan wanted to show Muktanand Swami, that look, this is his belief and your thinking is different, But now you saw this, and now you know who is where, So to show Muktanand Swami, Swaminarayan Bhagavan did that, In the time of Kakaji, in Tardev, Kakaji was, giving discourses and all this. So, there was one saint from Swamiji's group who visited the mandir, in Tardev. આપણા તારદેવના મંદિરમાં એક વખત કાકાજી બિરાજમાન હતા અને ત્યાં આપણા શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામી જે 5 સંતો છે આપણા જે કાકાજી એમને સ્પેશિયલ 5 સંતો કહેતા એવું મંડળનો સો સ્નેહલ મંડળ કહેતા સો કાકાજી was talking about Shastri Swami, Now, Shastri Swami is, according to Yogiji Maharaj, the incarnation of Muktanand Swami. He was Muktanand Swamiની ચેતના પાછી આવેલી એ શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામી હતા. So, કાકાજી told શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામી કે અમારા શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામી સત્વગુણી બહુ. He said that our Shastri Swami is very, elevated, pious, but he has always some kind of thoughts going on, which are not right. So there is a statement, Sattva gun is a good quality. There are three modes of nature, Tamogun, Rajogun, Sattva gun. Sattva gun is the highest quality, higher quality, But if that higher quality brings negativity within us, okay, look, I am doing this, but somebody is not doing that, then that is not a good Sattva gun. That is kind of Ashuddha Sattva gun. And there are two levels of Sattva gun. There is one is called Shuddha Sattva gun, and the other one is called just Sattva gun. So Kakaji was referring, Shastri Swami ke Shastri Swami Sattva guni bahu. So in a way it is a good statement, right? But Shastri Swami understood the message. Shastri Swami ne khabar padi ke Kakaji ne gamtu nathi. Kakaji is not happy with my style and attitude. But he did not understand, where am I making mistake, શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામીને એમ ખબર નહીં પડી કે મારી ક્યાં ભૂલ થાય છે, એટલે કાકાજી મને એમ કહે છે કે આ સત્વગુણી છે, એ ખબર નહીં પડી. અને કાકાજી બી જાણતા હતા કે શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામીને અંદર હજુ પાકું થયું નથી. કાકાજી કે કહેવા માગે છે પાકું થયું નથી. આવો આવો સીએમ, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. એટલે there was one devotee who was in the past many years was coming to Tardev very many times, Jai Swaminarayan Padma Ben. So that devotee had a problem, and he was now joining with the BAPS group, Pramukh Swami's Mandal, But he was not getting good suggestions or help or advice or support. So he was unhappy there, So then he knew that Kakaji would give me good advice, right advice, So he came to Tardev after many years, in Bombay. So when he came, Kakaji was very happy to see him. And then he talked about his problems. And then Kakaji gave the solution to his problems. And then he was happy. So before he leaves, some devotee brought a prasad, varieties of food. And it was called papada. I don't know whether you have seen it. It's a yellow, long, made out of chickpea flour. And it goes with, sweet jalebi. And there is a chutney. And we dip અને ખાઈએ. ફાફડા જે હોય ને, એ એક હરિભક્ત ફાફડા લઈને આવ્યા ત્યાં આગળ પ્રસાદના. એટલે કાકાજીને આપ્યા, એટલે કાકાજીએ ભગવાનને ધરાવ્યા. કાકાજી ઓફર ટુ ગોડ દેટ ફૂડ, Now that food normally you don't eat on the fasting days, on Ekadashi and other days, you don't eat, But that devotee brought with lot of love and affection. And here is this devotee who came with the problem, and after many years, and he was happy. So Kakaji, after offering this papada to Bhagavan, offered him that, okay, you can have this prasad, this, sanctified food, So that devotee said that today is Ekadashi, and I have done Ekadashi. So now this is again conflict. Kakaji is offering, and he is saying, today is Ekadashi. हाँ? नहीं, खाने के लिए ही तो बोला. खाने के लिए तो उसको दिखाया. दिखाने के लिए कहाँ दिखाया? वो पेड़े की बात आ गई वापस. It's same thing as peda then again. So, that devotee said that today is Ekadashi. So, Shastri Swami was sitting there in that hall. And he was saying all this. And he knew that on Ekadashi, people don't eat this, But Kakaji, to awaken Shastri Swami, he told that devotee that this is Farhadi Phapda. This is the item allowed to eat in Ekadashi. Now, the interpretation Kakaji made was not understandable to others maybe there, you know. Kakaji says that after several years of your Farad that you have not come to Tardev, now you have come today, so we are satisfying your Farad now, you know. Your all this negativity is gone and you are now purified, you know. Not only that, but after my talking to you, you have accepted what I told you and you are happy. તમને કાકાજી કહે છે કે મેં તમને જે કંઈ સમજાવ્યું, તમને કંઈ વાત કરી, તમારો પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરી આપ્યો, તો તમને મારી વાતમાં વિશ્વાસ આવ્યો છે એટલે તમે ખુશ થયા છો. યુ હેવ નોટ કેપ્ટ ડાઉટ્સ અગેન કે ભાઈ આ તો મને છતાંય નથી ગમ્યું, સ્ટીલ આઈ એમ નોટ હેપી વિથ વોટ યુ હેવ ટોલ્ડ મી. નોટ લાઇક દેટ. વોટ એવર કાકાજી ટોલ્ડ, he totally accepted. He was very happy. So હવે તો તમારો ઉત્સવ પૂરો થયો, તમારી સાધના પૂરી થઈ, તમે તારદેવ આવ્યો, યુ કમ ટુ તારદેવ. સો યોર ફરાડ, you know, your all this thing is over now. And now you enjoy, you know. So Shastri Swami was watching, you know, that Kakaji is just confusing this guy. After all this talk and whatever that he has not come for several years to Tardev and he is coming today, first time, and Kakaji is confusing this guy. Now if this guy says no, then all this thing Kakaji did will go into the drain. So he was confused in that way, that why Kakaji is doing this. To the surprise, that devotee ate Phapda. And assuming that it is still Ekadashi. And then Kakaji did Dhoon and then he went to his home. After that, then Kakaji was telling again Shastri Swami, you know, that Shastri Swami's nature is Sattva Guna. Shastri Swamiનો સ્વભાવ પ્રકૃતિ સત્વગુણી છે. એટલે શાસ્ત્રી સ્વામી પાછા he was awakened, you know. He thought that what more now, you know, what Kakaji did was not right, you know, that gave him Phapda, and he's telling me that I am Sattva Guni. So then Kakaji says, you know, that અમે કોકને પ્રસાદ આપીએ અને કોક ખાઈને રાજી થાય અને બીજો દુઃખી થાય, એ સત્વગુણ. So he says that I give sanctified food to someone who has done Ekadashi, and that person is eating with happiness, and the other person is upset. That is his impurity. You know, what he should think, you know, કે ધન્ય છે હરિભક્તને કે કાકાજીમાં એક કલાકમાં જ આટલો એલિવેટેડ થઈ ગયો એનો. 5-10 વર્ષથી નહીં આવતો હોય, એ એક જ કલાકની અંદર એનો પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ થઈ ગયો, એ ખુશી થઈ ગયો અને કાકાજી એના વચ્ચે ફાફડા ખાધા, તો ધન્ય છે એને ભાઈ એનો. પણ ધેટ ઇઝ અગેન માયા, you know. See, these are called Mahamayas, you know, or Muktoni Maya, or varieties of Maya, you know. So Gunatitanand Swami says, માયાનું બળ કયું? જે સત્સંગ કરે ત્યારે 30 ઘાવ ઉપર સંબંધી હોય તે ઓસલો કૂટે એવું માયાનું બળ છે. A devotee who is becoming Swaminarayan Satsangi here in Des Plaines area, first time, and somebody who is 30 miles away heard that so and so became Swaminarayan Satsangi, then he would start crying, you know. And he would start, you know, getting angry at that person, that what happened? Why did you become Swaminarayan? You know. This is how the Maya's power is, you know. And that devotee or that relative of that person would be very close devotee, you know. But we all have our resistance to change factor, you know. It is called resistance, R for resistance. T for two, change for C. RTC. In our company at Abbott, when I was working, people don't understand, don't want to change, Then they say, he has a RTC problem, Resistance to change problem. And it happens more in satsang than more in general, outside, If we have iPhone 4S, and then iPhone 6 comes in the market, Raj, iPhone 4S, and if 6 comes in the market, and somebody says, okay, I will get you this new one, what would you say? Take it, right? Yeah, take it. Because we like newer model. Huh? What? उसमें क्या होता है? नहीं, तमोगुण कैसे होगा? सत्वगुण है तो भी तमोगुण कैसे होगा? हाँ, वो नेगेटिव विचार है, वो सत्वगुण का बाई प्रोडक्ट है. हो सकता है तमोगुण भी हो सकता है. सत्वगुण किसी के अंदर मानो कि 90% है. Somebody who has 90% sattva-gun, then we would all think, that this person is sattva-gun, right? Sattva-guni, right? That 10%, 9% would be rajogun, 1% may be tamogun, maybe, And that 1% can be a problem, If we feed on that 1%, then 1% will become 10, will become 90, right? So we have to be very alert. We have to be very careful, right? But are you trying to say something maybe more than what I was trying to explain?
That's what I asked some questions. Most people have mixed.
Everybody has mixed, Yeah.
They have because it's possible, how you utilize that information.
Right. Yeah. क्या होती है कम? समझ थोड़ी कम होती है, राइट. 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 थोड़ा सा, he was knowing a lot. He was knowing a lot, Kakaji, Kakaji accepted him as the 5 main saints, But our nature sometimes plays the tricks, And we consider that as not Maya. We consider that as God's, grace. And it is not God's grace, it is really Maya, That is, one has to realize and understand, So, Gunatitanand Swami is saying, that if somebody becomes, this is in the time of Swaminarayan Bhagavan, At that time, the satsang was not as powerful as what we are, not as big as what we are seeing today, And effect of Swaminarayan Bhagavan's power was there, Whoever Swaminarayan Bhagavan would, touch, that person will change, he will become satsangi. But the others who did not have the real understanding, they would again start creating problems and quarrels, So Gunatitanand Swami is saying, that if somebody is not supporting you, your good deeds and good ventures, and they are criticizing you, then consider that as a Maya. And be alert and be aware of that thing, So that don't unite with that person, and join with his Maya, But bring your firm stand and just move on with that, That's what Gunatitanand Swami is saying, So Swami says, the power of Maya, that somebody is doing satsang here, 30 miles away, some relative would start not only crying, but saying that he is dead for me. That person who has become satsangi is now dead for me. And when there is a person who is dead, they sing certain kind of songs, They are called Oslo. So he would start singing Oslo 30 miles away, ke gayo, gayo, gayo. That is the power of Maya. Okay, anybody has any comment, question on this? કોઈને આમાં કંઈ પૂછવું છે? કોઈ somebody did not understand, maybe we can explain again. Anybody? બધાને સમજાયું? તારાબેન સંભળાયું? માયા બહુ વિફરે છે. એટલી માયા વિફરે છે કે કાનનું મશીન બી નથી મૂકવા દેતી. પણ અહીં પહેરવાનો શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે? અહીં તો પહેરીને આવો. સારું સારું સારું. ચાલો, સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની. ઓકે, 1 minute. અમારા અનવાજી, યુ હેવ ક્વેશ્ચન?